Squiggles Standard Instructional Video. How to unpack and assemble the Squiggles Standard. What's in the box? All parts will be contained in polythene bags, with each one clearly labelled. Carefully remove them from the boxes and check you have all the parts you have ordered. A number of adjustments will require the use of a multi-tool and a spanner, which you will find supplied in the box. Pivot base. The pivot base can be folded and unfolded using the two pull pins on the central top of the unit. To fold it, hold the interface to take the weight off the frame. Allow the frame to collapse, and then fold. To fit the Squiggles Standard shell onto the pivot chassis, firstly apply the brakes. Pull the locking pin out, slide the central spine into the receiving bracket until it is fully engaged. Release the pin, allowing it to snap back into place. Attaching the headrest. To attach the Lecky headrest, first open the locking lever by pressing the safety button and pulling the handle. Then, slide the stem into the receiving bracket on the central spine, set to the desired position, and secure using the locking handle. Inserting attachment bolt. Insert the required attachment bolt along with the retention plate. Place a rubber lid on both the top and bottom of the sandal. Fasten using the 4 screws provided. To remove or replace the attachment bolt, reverse this process. Attaching the sandals. Place the sandals so that the attachment bolt goes through the slot in the footplate. To secure, on the underside of the footplate, place the rubber washer, followed by the metal washer, and then the knob onto the attachment bolt. To position the sandals, simply loosen the knob under the footplate, select the position you require, and refasten the knob. Footplate. At the front of the footplate is an Allen bolt, which will allow for a degree of plantar flexion or dorsiflexion. To achieve the desired position, simply turn the Allen bolt on the front of the footplate either left or right. Assemble the tray. To attach the arms to the tray brackets, loosen the knob, place the moulding to the inside of the tray plate, replace the knob on the outside and secure. Repeat on the other side. Attaching the tray in prone and supine. The tray is attached to the standard by inserting the tubes into the receiving brackets. Once the tray is located in position, the knob should be tightened. The cutout of the tray should always be facing the child. To attach the tray whilst in the prone version, ensure that the tray receiving tubes are at their maximum height. Fitting the cushions, covers, and support harnesses. Chest and hip cushions. Place the cushion centrally on the chest hip support plate. Feed the upper tab, which has the snap fastener attached, over the top of the moulding and snap in place. Bring the lower tab under the support and attach the upper tab using the Velcro panels. Lateral cushions. To attach the lateral support padded cushions, simply slide the cushions on with the padded side towards the inside of the stander. Sleeve the plastic buckle through the slot in the cover. Then bring the 2 Velcro fastener straps around the bottom of the moulding and attach them to the Velcro panel as shown. Close over the flap. Pelvic harness. To attach the pelvic harness, simply slide the left and right sides of the harness over the lateral supports. Sleeve the plastic buckles through the slots in the harness. Then bring the Velcro fastener straps around the bottom of the moulding and attach them to the Velcro panels as shown. Finally, pull the Velcro receiving straps around the user to secure the user in the harness. Chest support harness. The chest support can be attached by clipping the male buckle into the female buckle at either side of the lateral supports. Hip support harness. The hip support should be attached around the pelvic harness. It can be attached by clipping the male buckle into the female buckle at either end of the pelvic harness. To adjust the tension, lift the front panel, adjust the straps to the required length, and then replace the panel. Contoured headrest cushion. To attach the headrest cushion, place the cushion onto the head support plate. Then snap the central fastener and 2 upper fasteners in place. Bring the lower flap under the plate and snap the 2 remaining fasteners in place. Clinical setup for postural management. Adjusting the overall height by loosening the bolt on the back of the mainframe with the multi-tool, sliding the inner stem to the desired height and retightening the Allen bolt. A calibration strip is fitted on the side of the inner frame to help you record the selected positions of the supports. There is also a safety stop at the maximum height. Adjusting the chest and hip supports. To adjust the chest and hip support and rotate knob in an anti-clockwise direction, set to the required position and then retighten. The chest support can only be adjusted in angle and depth. Lateral support. Loosen the hand knob to adjust the width of the lateral support and retighten when you have achieved the desired position. If the lateral supports are attached with bolts instead of hand knobs, they can be adjusted with the multi-tool. Adjusting the sternum pad. The sternum plate is adjusted by loosening the 2 bolts at the front of the chest plate with the multi-tool, set to the desired height and retighten. Adjusting the height, depth and angle of the knee cups. To adjust the height, depth and angle of the knee cups, loosen knob, select the height, angle and depth required, and retighten the knob securely. Knee pads. To adjust, lift the front fabric panel, set the belt to the desired length, and reposition in place. Contoured and flat headrest adjustment. To adjust the height, depth and angle of the contoured headrest, loosen the hand knobs and when set to the desired position, retighten the knobs. Sandals positioning. To position the sandals, simply loosen the knob under the footplate, select the position you require, and refasten the knob. Footplate angle adjustment. To set the angle to accommodate plantar flexion and dorsiflexion, simply loosen or tighten the Allen bolt to set the desired angle. Tilt in space. Disengage the lock by pulling the silver circular pinhead out from its housing and turn in 90 degrees in either direction. Secure your hand at the top of the frame and press down on the lever. Bring the stander into the desired position, release tilt in space lever and engage the locking pin. Product conversion. Supine to prone. To convert the Squiggles Plus supine stander to accommodate prone standing, simply remove the headrest as outlined under Attaching the headrest, place the padded spine cap over the spine of the standing support and attach the tray with the cutout facing the child. Loosen the sandals and turn through 180 degrees and you are ready for prone standing. Product conversion. Prone to supine. To convert the Squiggles Plus prone stander to accommodate supine standing, simply attach the head support as outlined under Attaching the headrest, loosen the sandals and turn through 180 degrees and you are ready for supine standing. Adjusting the height of the tray in prone and supine. The height adjustment knobs for the tray are located on either side of the central spine. Loosen the 2 knobs, select the required height and retighten. Adjusting the depth and angle of the tray. Loosen the adjustment knob on either side, slide the tubes along the receiving brackets to achieve the desired depth, and retighten the knobs. To adjust the angle of the tray, loosen the knobs on either side of the tray, set the tray to the required angle, and retighten securely.